So today we shall discuss about the topic that is binary operations. First we shall know what is binary operation. So a binary operation star, here star is nothing but a binary operation. On a set A, star is defined on a set A, is said to be a function. When star from A cross A to A for each A comma B belongs to A cross A, we denote star of A comma B, that is binary operation of an ordered pair A comma B by A star B. So this is how we define binary operations. Now let us see few more examples so that you can easily understand. So example 29. So here you need to show that addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operation on R, but division is not a binary operation on R. R, R means a real numbers, a set of real numbers. Further, show that division is a binary operation on a set R star of non-zero real numbers. Okay, you need to observe what is R and R star. Okay, R means a set of all real numbers. R star means a set of all real numbers except 0. Okay, so non-zero real numbers. So here we are discussing example 29. So R, you can say that it is a real number, real numbers, and R star, as they have given, that is a non-zero real number, non-zero real numbers. So you can say that real numbers, it begins with 0, right? So it is 0, 1, 2, so on, right? And here R star, since it is a non-zero real number, you can say that except 0, it is begin with 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, just an assumption. These are not necessary, but you should know what do you mean by a non-zero real numbers. Okay, fine. Now, as according to the definition we have seen, a binary operation star on a set A is defined as A cross A tends to A given by order pair A comma B that belongs to A cross A, and that you can write as A star B. So here the binary operation star which you have defined over here, that you can write in the form of this. Okay, here they have asked that you need to show addition, subtraction and multiplication are binary operation on R, but division is not a binary operation on R. So here let us begin with addition. So since it is, we need to show this is a binary operation. Instead of star, we'll write plus over here, and here they have defined that star on a set R. So we consider this is according to the definition, that's it. Okay, we need to concentrate over here. This is R cross R to R. So what it says is, like, whatever the order pairs you consider A comma B in a set A, and if you look over the binary operation of those two numbers must also be in a set A. Okay, if you look over here, if I consider order pair A comma B, that tends to, I'll write it as A plus B. So what it says is order pair A comma B, the two elements belongs to R cross R. That says that the addition of those two elements also must be a real number. Okay, so here if you look over, and this is given by, okay. And now for subtraction, R cross R to R is given by, so I'll give an example so that you can easily understand. This is A minus B. So as similarly for multiplication, you can write it as R cross R to R given by A comma B tends to A into B, that is AB. So I say that plus, minus and multiplication are the function, and hence they are binary operation on star. Why it is so? Let us take an example. Okay, so let us consider an example. Take any example, like take any two numbers. Let it be a as 2 and b as 0. Since it is a real number, we shall take b as 0, no problem. Okay, so if you look over here for addition, so since a is 0, b is 0, a comma b, that tends to a plus b, and here a comma b belongs to a real numbers, and this is also a plus b must also belongs to a real number. And here 2 plus 0, for addition I'm talking about, 2 plus 0, this will leads to 2, and 2 belongs to a real number, right? And similarly for negative, so 2 minus 0, you say that this is also 2 and this belongs to a real number. And multiplication, if you consider 2 into 0, this will be 0 and 0 will also belongs to a real number. So I say that plus, minus and multiplication are the function, and then hence they are binary operation on star. But in division, but for division, if you look over, so this will be r cross r tends to r is given by a comma b tends to a by b. Now just check over with the same examples over here, 2 and 0. So what it will be? Division 2 comma 0, this will leads to 2 by 0. So 2 by 0 is, can you define the value of that? No, you cannot define the value of that. So here, if you consider b as 0, you cannot, like, why I have considered 0, because you need to check for all the possibilities in R. Okay, so if you take, instead of 0, if you consider it as like 4 by 2 and all, it will be a real number. But the thing is, you need to consider all the possibilities, that is all the possibilities of real numbers. Okay, you need to check, what if 0, what if 2, what if 3, what if b is 0, what if b is 2, what if b is 3. So if any of the one possibilities doesn't support you, then you consider it is not a binary operation. Okay, so here I can say that since if b is 0, you cannot define a function. Okay, therefore you can say that division a comma b, a by b is not a function, and hence not a binary operation. So this is how you say. And for next, if you look over here, the second part of the question, what they have given is r star, it is a non-zero real number, real numbers. So here for division, r star cross r star tends to r star. I can say here a comma b, that tends to a by b. So if you look over here you cannot, since it is r star is a non-zero real numbers, 0 is not included. Okay, therefore you can consider the values of a and b except 0. Like if a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, what will be? It will be 1 by 2, right? A by b will be 1 by 2. So this will be 0.5, and this belongs to a real number. 0.5 is a real number, right? So this, from this what you can understand is, except 0, like if the real number consists of 0, then it doesn't support the division to be a binary operation. So if the function is consisting of the elements which are except 0, then they supports the division to be a binary operation. Okay, so this is how you say that a by b is a function, and hence a binary operation on R star. This is very much important to write, like it is on R star. You cannot write on R, right? On R, division is not a binary operation, but on R star, division is a binary operation.